Navigating Istanbul Airport can be a daunting task for travelers, especially when it comes to transfer services. With its vast size and multiple terminals, finding your way around can be overwhelming. In this guide, we will provide you with essential information on how to navigate Istanbul Airport and make your transfer experience seamless. Firstly, familiarize yourself with the airport layout and terminals. Istanbul Airport has a main terminal building connected to two satellite terminals via a shuttle train. Make sure to know which terminal your connecting flight departs from to avoid any confusion. Secondly, take advantage of the airport's transfer services. Istanbul Airport offers various transfer options such as shuttle buses, taxis, and private car services. Be sure to book your transfer in advance to save time and avoid any hassle. Lastly, follow the signs and directions provided throughout the airport. Istanbul Airport has clear signage in both English and Turkish to guide passengers to their desired destinations. By staying attentive and following the signs, you will easily navigate the airport and reach your next flight on time. In conclusion, navigating Istanbul Airport can be stress-free with proper planning and awareness of transfer services. By following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and efficient transfer experience at Istanbul Airport.